I'm Kamalpreet Singh. Today I'll present Creative Problem-Solving Approach addressing how Birmingham City University (BCU) can partner with the local businesses to create better opportunities for graduates in tech, health and green energy sectors. We will explore 6 creative problem-solving stages: objective finding, fact finding, problem finding, idea finding, solution finding and acceptance finding, each of the creative technique for the deep analysis and practical solutions. Many students ask, am I truly ready for the job market? Degrees alone aren't enough. This presentation explores how collaboration with the local employers can bridge the gap. With the help of the AI tools, we created a SWOT analysis through objective finding. Therefore, the strengths are strong reputation, diverse students, and central locations. In terms of the weaknesses, weak industry alignment and fragmented communication. In terms of the opportunities, there's a regional tech growth. And lastly, in terms of the threat, there's the economical uncertainty and rapid industrial change. Stage 2. Fact finding. We use dimensional analysis on 6 dimensions, which is curriculum, delivery, employer involvement, student engagement, infrastructure and policy. Meaning the key findings were weak employment integration and limited applied learning access. In terms of the stage 3, I've used ledgering technique from institution to individual level, and due to the help of the AI tools, I've created multiple questions which shows the mapping goals show students want more than jobs. They seek purpose and confidence. To the close, this BCU must embed the reflective experimental learning early. Goal orientation at the group level in terms of in what way might we. Finally, computing students share goals to enter tech but face lack of experience and network. In redefined problem, how design collaboration interventions align with the student employer. Lastly, in terms of the boundary examination technique at the group level, in what way might we questioned assumptions and expanded beyond full-time roles to include freelancing, startups and fellowships, revealing unconventional viable employment paths. Stage 4. Idea finding through brainstorming technique. Using AI, we generated 30 plus ideas, reverse career fairs, hackathons, short-term projects, joint portfolios to aim maximize idea quantity and diversity. Similarly, we use Scamper technique, which helped us modify these ideas, such as replacing career services with employer in residence, combining projects with life beliefs, adapting internship for the hybrid work, and removing the bureaucratic delays. Lastly, we used analogy and metaphors to clarify the problem, such as bridge, structural support needed between students and the employers, matchmaking apps such as AI connecting students and businesses, ecosystem harmony between university, businesses and student growth. Moving on to the last steps, we use impact versus effort model to manage these ideas into 4 quadrants. Ideas were divided into quints, major products, fill-ins, time wasters, prioritizing the high impact, feasible and actions. Stage 5. Solution finding. I've successfully used Castle technique. We scored ideas by cost, acceptability, scalability, time, effectiveness and legality. The top 3 progressed from the further evaluation based on the data, not by feeling. I've used force field analysis to divide the 3 good ideas. One of the ideas is co-create modules. This driving forces allows employer to support student demanding the outweigh and restraining factors such as factuality workload, scoring 14 plus. This makes co-created module the more strategic option. Moving on to the second idea, student industrial research teams, which was by the brainstorming. This idea scored 8, driven by hands-on learning, benefits by restraint by supervisors, challenges and scaling difficulties. Lastly, the third idea, bridge to business, which was by analogy. The mentorship program scored 9 plus, valuable by building confidence but resources intensive and limited in reach. Stage 6. Acceptance finding. I successfully created a cognitive mapping that shows a timeline maps. Year 1. Employer talk and surveys. Year 2. Pilot modules. Year 3. Reflecting and scaling. Creating a culture of co-creating, replacing the hot placements. In terms of the action plan, I've created multiple action steps to the timeline, such as stakeholder engagement, curriculum co-design, pilot launch, ongoing feedback, scaling across BCU to re-engineer the employability. To conclude this creative problem-solving problem, BCU has unique chance to boost graduate success through the business's collaboration. Co-creating modules stands out as the best long-term solution. Targeting students, staff, industry can turn a learning into real-world impact. Thank you. Thanks for listening.